Hey guys, I got a camera for Christmas. Time to open it. It's my first open box stuff video. And then we're just gonna open it. Oh no, how to set up my camera. Okay, my video is very amateur. But everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Why is there so much tape? Why is there so much tape? It's gonna... What? Why is there like plastic? What? Just... Okay. So. Why? How do you open this? How? Tell me how. This packaging is so stupid. No. How do you open this? How do you open it? It's like a freaking unopenable stuff. And then just... And he asks for help. What? Just more tape. Why does this thing need so many tapes? For no reason. It should be good now. This is how you should be able to. This is how you're supposed to treat every single gift. Just open it. This packaging is so stupid. Why can't you just make it stuff and then just stuff it out and just like make it like it's supposed to exist? But this thing exists to not exist. The only thing that this box wants to do is existing, but it failed at every single levels of it. It doesn't have the ability to exist, but it still exists. But then it does everything wrong in order to achieve its goal of existing. This box is so garbage. It cannot be opened. It cannot exist. It should not be able to exist. Now I finally open it. I finally rip this thing apart. Just gonna grab it out. Okay, here's a GoPro. Nice. Just got more stuff. Why is this still open? Okay, there's gotta be stuff here. I refuse to believe that's it. I refuse to believe that's it. There's gotta be more, right? There's gotta be more. There is more. There is more. Okay, I got this thing open. Yeah. Good. Oh, nice. Oh. What? Oh. Crap, I assembled it? Oh, it's just absolute. Alright, that's... This thing is so small, I can't even read it. Why? This packaging is so stupid. Everything about this box is... It shouldn't even... The box's design shouldn't exist. But then the... Exists... Like the thought of existing just made this box exist. But shouldn't able to. Why? Why is the world designed like this? The world should not... This box should not appear in this world because it will just make more confusion. And the world already has enough confusion. 0 out of 5. 0 out of 10. Negative 0 out of 10. Terrible. This GoPro on the other hand, pretty sweet. Okay, that's it.